Bengal defense with Abhijit in goal. There we saw the shot coming in from the edge of the box, which didn't trouble Arindam from Ranti. And then the first goal with the ball in from Kevin Lobo from the left for Dudu at the far post.
Coach plan which really worked for them.
Yes,
the way he came in from behind and nodded the ball in.
Yes, he showed that striker's instinct to time his run perfectly from behind the defender. And Kevin Lobo was also key to the plan, which worked brilliantly, as he was giving the supply and pulling the strings along with Dika. Dika with his trademark long rangers, with his left foot. Those two attacking midfielders really helped to overcome the organized Bharat FC defense, which has been mean so far. This was the second goal. And Dudu once again, Musa.
Once again coming from behind. There he placed the ball so well, Sujay. And he never misses from such angles, Sujay.
Yes, that will get the confidence going for the Nigerian who has had to play second fiddle to Ranti Martins for long parts of the season. But after that, Bharat FC did have a couple of chances. One for Lester Fernandez, this one for Chris Bright from a little longer out. But nothing really concrete. They didn't have a shot on target in the first half. Then in the second half, they tried to put on more pressure with long balls and free kicks into the box. But Abhijit Mandal kept on repelling the attacks coming in.
Yes, Sujay. Second half, Bharat FC, they were more, East Bengal, they were more defensive. They were having more men in defense. So that really helped Bharat FC to have more attacks on more shots on the goal, Sujay. And then later, it was again East Bengal who attacked well. And that really helped them getting them the third goal, Sujay.
Yes, there were a little bit of scuffles happening. Obviously, the Bharat FC players were getting frustrated with the scoreline and with the way the games were progressing. The chances weren't being converted. And in the end, East Bengal did put in another defender to shore up the defense with Raju Gaikwad coming in. The corner count started going up, but Abhijit Mandal, like we said, used all his experience to the fore, was composed in collecting and clearing all the long balls near his areas. Arnab Mandal, at his end, was guiding the defense well right at the heart, not giving Chris Bright any chance. This was the penalty where Ranti Martins made a very good run through, and Arindam Bhattacharya picked up a card for a judge to have put a hand out, and Ranti himself slotted it in, Musa.
Yeah, it was such a cool finish from Ranti, Sujay. He was so cool, he was so composed, he just saw goalkeeper going to the other side. And again, Sujay, Steven Dice, we were talking about Steven Dice. I'm sure he should have been bought more earlier, which would have made a lot of difference to the Bharat FC team.
Yes, exactly like you were saying, Musa, and you had said earlier, after Steven Dice came in, he sent in 4-5 pitches of crosses, and Surajit Bose, Chris Bright, Omar Jaroon all had a chance to get at the end of those and worked Abhijit Mandal. And of course, Abhijit Mandal did well, but Steven Dice did contribute to the game become a little lively and Bharat FC possibly getting a consolation goal. But that wasn't to happen. Only there were a couple of yellow cards shown right at the end for the little bit of aggression going in. And the game ended 3-0 in favor of the visitors. So it continued that way, and